si BP, merong higaan doon sa sahig, merong mattress na medyo komportable naman na tulugan. So salamat sir, ha? Thank you for that. Dali, yung J-Stop, 3-star na? J4 ka, di ba? 3-star
Sir,
na?
at the same time, the commander of the Joint Sustainment Command, sir. The
Akala
rank is for
ko,
the Joint Sustainment.
pero yung normal na J-Stop, 2
Major
lang.
General.
Two
Yes,
star.
sir.
So, kuhan ka, concurrent capacity.
Yes, sir.
Mukhang magaling ka siguro, no? Dalo. Sabi na kung sabi, basta enjoying. Ha? Continue. Kumsik.
Ay, sir. We have Major General Vicente Mark Anthony P. Blanco, Commandant, Philippine Marine Corps. We also have Lieutenant General Arthur M. Cordura, Commanding Officer, Philippine Air Force. And we also have representatives from the COA and from the DBM, sir, with us, in case you will be asking them some questions, sir. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Thank you, Kumsik. I thought since membro na ako ng minority, hindi na ako magde-depend ng budget ninyo. I thought I was removed from removed from my chairmanship nitong subcommittee na ito. Pero still, nilagay pa rin nila ako. So, trabaho pa rin tayo. Kala ko wala na akong trabaho. But then, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator J.B. Ejercito. Thank you, Your Honor, for coming. Quorum na tayo. And, but then again, nandito tayo. So, tuloy tayo sa ating trabaho. Well, as a guide to your presentation, other than those in the National Expenditure Program, I would also like to hear you discuss the following. Number 1, utilization of the 2025 budget. Number 2, your agency's accomplishments. And number 3, although we have been informed by the good secretary during the organizational meeting of the Senate Committee on Defense that your agency intends to propose the repeal of the revised AFP Modernization Act to shift to project-based procurement, you would like to know what we have achieved so far in our effort to modernize our armed forces pursuant to RA 7898 and RA 10349, and how you would like to utilize your proposed 2026 special purpose funds. Before we proceed, before I yield the floor to Senator JB, for the record, I would like to thank the DND under the leadership of Secretary Teodoro. If sakali nakalimutan mo no, sir, kami dalawa ni Vice President Sara Duterte, hindi namin makalimutan yung kindness na binigay nyo sa amin nung kami ay tumira doon sa Philippine Veteran sa Memorial Hospital natin. At na-realize talaga namin ni Vice President Inday na the DND is non-partisan. Kahit na binubugbog na kami politically, masyado na kaming harassed during that time, at least DND give us comfort. And yung kinatawa lang namin doon is nag-usap kami sa sabi niya, tingnan mo, si Tore at saka yung mga pulis, hindi pinapapasok ni Sik Gibo dito. Ang gwardiya natin dito, mga taga-DND. So, yun lang sir, we would like to express our gratitude dahil kayo ay nanatiling non-partisan amidst the political turmoil na nangyari. Alam mo, pag ikaw ay you are down and inaapakan ka na ng husto, yung tao na nagbibigay sa iyo ng kahit kunting alalay ay kultura natin ng Pilipino yan. Hindi mo makalimutan yan. And thank you so much for that dahil yung si Sulaika, Atty. Sulaika na hospital arrest doon, hindi pwedeng iiwan ni BP dahil masyadong depressed na, masyado nang baka may mangyari, kaya napilitan si BP na mag-standby doon. At ako rin naman, hindi ko rin pwedeng iiwan si BP doon na siya lang, so sinamahan ko. So, salamat ako na ako'y binigyan ng kwarto doon, pero nagbantay na ako, nakapagkuhan pa ako. Wellness check-up ako. Nakapag-wellness check-up ako doon. At ilang days din yon. At si BP, merong higaan doon sa sahig, merong mattress na medyo komportable naman na tulugan. So salamat sir. Thank you for that. Salamat talaga.